Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take General Science class for class 2 student. Dear student, our today's topic is oral sheet and we will discuss about our assignment. Let us see our today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is oral sheet. We will discuss about oral sheet or assignment. I will give you assignment and this is lecture number 16 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 15 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see this is oral part. We have already discussed from 1 number to 7 number oral questions and answers. You have to practice these questions and answers at your home. You have to memorize these answers. And today we will discuss from 8 to 15. Our 8 number question is how can change the water its forms? Answer is water changes its form on cooling or heating. 9 number is name the sources of water. The answer is ponds, lakes. I am writing this spelling clearly for you. This is lake. Lakes. Ponds, lakes, rivers, wells and seas are the sources of water. 10 number is what is sun? Answer is the sun is a star. 11 number where are rocks found? Answer is rocks are found under the soil and even in the bottom of rivers and seas. 12 number question is who is a stranger? Answer is a stranger is a person you do not know. 13 number question is from which plant do we get rubber? Answer is we get rubber from rubber tree. 14 number question is where do accidents take place? Answer is accidents can happen anywhere if we are not careful. And the last question here is 15 number. Why is water so important? The answer is water is so important because all living things including plants and animals need water to survive. Now dear student, we will discuss about our assignment. Our today's assignment is, here is the topic, the process of growing plants from seeds. And you have to draw this picture on A4 size offset paper. At first draw this picture, then label this picture and then color this picture on A4 size offset paper. You can see and you have to write assignment on top of your assignment page and you have to write topic clearly. The topic is the process of growing plants from seed. Here is the first picture. This is a seed. The seed is buried in the soil and then next is it opens. You can see it opens from seed. Then after that this picture is the root begins to grow. Here is root, the root begins to grow and after that this is the next step and then here is the shoot grows in upper side and after that this picture the root grows longer. We can see here the root grows longer and the upper side we can see the shoot grows taller and the last stage we can see here this is root and under the ground, and this is stem, and this is leaf. This is a plant. It become a plant, new plant. Now we will know what is germination. And dear student, with your drawing and this level and picture, you have to write this part also. This is the part of your assignment, and we will discuss about that what is germination. The growth of a seed into a young plant or a seedling is called germination. Germination is the process by which a plant grows from a seed. So dear student, I am repeating this part. This is very important. You have to make this assignment on A4 size offset paper. You have to draw this picture at first, then level this picture, and after that you have to color this picture, and then you have to write this part, what is germination. And of course you have to write assignment and topic like this process. And your assignment submission date is 4/10/20. This is the submission date of your assignment. Now dear student, I will give you SW. Our today's SW will be, this is 15 number SW. And our SW will be these oral questions and answers from 11 to 15. This oral questions and answers from 11 to 15. You have to do your SW separately, and you have to do these assignments separately. You will get separate marks for your assignment. And this is today's SW, 15 number SW, oral questions and answers from 11 to 15. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and make your assignment properly and submit the due date. That means here is 4/10/20. This date you have to submit your assignment on this day. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next day. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.